In this section, we look at how to find the perpendicular distance. What that means is, if we are given a point as shown in the diagram, I want to know the distance from that point to a line. That's called D. This formula shown in the box is the fastest way to be able to do that. If you're to do it the long way, which you can and you should learn, but it's actually quite long, what you would need to do is find the equation of this line first, which we can do, but you'll need to find the slope of this line, then find the slope of this line, which is perpendicular. Once you have your equation, then we need to find the intersection point. Once you find this point here, then you can find the length of the line. I don't recommend that way because it's actually quite a long way to do it, but you should practice that and it's in your workbook. So let's look at an example. We find the perpendicular distance between a line y equals minus 3x plus 4 and the point 7 minus 8. So that point 7 minus 8 is this point here. So we'll call that x1, y1. Now this equation needs to be changed into this form here. So we put the x first, so minus 3x minus y plus 4 equals 0. You can also flip them all over and have 3x plus y minus 4 equals 0. It doesn't matter which one you use. So let's use this one here. So if we look at our formula, D equals, now this is absolute value sign, x1 plus by1 plus c, absolute, divided by the square root of a squared plus b squared. So unfortunately you would need to have to remember that formula. If you don't, you need to find the answer the long way. So in this question then, we can see that a is 3, b is 1, c is minus 4. They come from the straight line equation. x1 is 7 and y1 is minus 8. And these are the numbers that need to go into your formula. So absolute, a times x1, 3 times 7, plus b, which is 1 times y1, which is minus 8, plus c, which is negative 4, divided by the square root of a, which is 3 squared, which is 9, plus b, 1 squared is 1, which is 1. So that will give us root 10 in the denominator. So what do we have here? 3 sevens are 21, minus 8, minus 4. An absolute of that divided by root 10. So absolute 21 minus 13 and root 10, that's 12 actually. So 21 minus 12 absolute, that's going to be 9 on root 10. So that would be the answer. That's the length from the point to the straight line in that question.